Hey guys, thank you once more for tuning into Richard Brown Films. And if you're not watching Richard Brown Films, then who the hell are you watching? Also, I would love for you guys to head over to my channel and check out my first ever test run short film. In order to find this short film, you would have to type in Evil Eye Jamaican movie. You have to put the Jamaican movie at the end in order to find this film. Also, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so please, I would need y'all to help me by supporting, by subscribing, sharing, and liking, and also commenting, all right?
Money reveal what people hide. Blood may connect us, but truth decide. Money bring light to the darkest place. Show every lie behind every hidden face. When money call, watch how them change. Love turn enemy overnight. Dreams get buried behind every fight. Some fight hard just to survive, while others hide through their whole life. Now every heart reveal what's within. Family fighting for a pot of gold. You can see greed in all them soul, while the truth unfold.
Ruben, what all of this for?
Anushka, I know you see me a call the phone, you know.
No, I don't see no call. My phone dropping. I tired it, man. I tell you.
And the phone as a ringing, are you there to take me for?
And the phone, man, take it for. I swear. What is
Yo, bossy. I could just kill again, man.
kill me for what?
Like, you talk so long, boss, man.
Kill quick. I know you love killing, but here, I'm a little sister man. You see me, so we don't have to kill her. I could just deal with it right here, see?
Your sister, boss, you have a tie up, so.
Yeah, man, sometimes I have to teach them a lesson. Anushka,
Ruben, wow.
where my money there?
Some things happen. Some things happen, man. Tell us some things come up. I'ma never mean to touch the money. Even my father die, you know.
So what that have to do with me?
No, wait, no.
Anushka.
I'm gonna get fit tell her. So my father die and I'm gonna get him inheritance. No, just listen, just listen. The will.
For listen.
Just listen.
Listen.
Yes.
Come here, listen at her right now. It's a little more listening.
But we hear out. But yes,
The will Suri, the week here, him lawyer reach out to me. I'm a stepmother. So them a call in for a meeting so them can read the will. So and me and her alone the inheritance are share between. And we get all of the money. Me and she. So me can't pay. Me can't even double it. We can double.
alright, Anushka, listen to me I say. I want you to listen to me good.
Yeah.
Actually, we know you why we not dash you over a river, you know. So here what I want. Me go give you a chance to
Yeah.
do what you have to do and make me get the money.
I can get it, man. I can get you know me. I never mean to touch.
Alright, Anushka. Yo, just sort out where you sort out, you know. Now come in real quick.
Say, man, turn up on the hands next to.
What takes so long with the drinks on?
Alright, babe. You know, it's a long time me there though.
Long time.
And me just said think on something from the other day. Would I like this to be official right now?
Oh, what's your drinks up on? Hold on.
Thank you.
There you go.
Yeah, man, respect. Alright, cool.
There you go.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Sorry, okay?
Yeah, man.
Thank you. Alright.
Wait, so no.
As I
Official.
was saying before,
Mm.
I want you to be an official man like how my husband before.
Mm.
My husband before. He can't be now again because he out of picture. So you want me say now. Me and you did too long. we not have an official thing. You understand?
You look on it so. Long time I tell yourself me official. I don't know how you dey look on it, you know.
In
But
the in
me
babe,
a the man. Me a the man. Me not look on it no other way. So me say I tell me say.
me give you a little sip out of my juice. Hold your glass. Hold your glass. Come. Like this. And wait then no, babe. We are going so. How much time we got restaurant?
Alright.
Now that going in your brain, you will get with me and say, this need to be official.
Yeah man, but we will say any little thing me on board, you know. Come in at this long time there, you know. But I want to ask you something. So, like with that them on the past, what go on the inheritance, you know? How that go? What happen? How that go?
Don't worry about it.
Hmm.
If you get some millions,
Ah, God.
we have an appointment to meet the lawyer. We are going to have a meeting. And don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Because when me forget,
Yeah.
it a go plenty.
Jesus.
Holy it a go enough.
Why hurt the way?
Guess what?
Yeah.
Me I go get about 70% and my stepdaughter get about 30. So the 70 you know
Good man, that good man. If a millions and you are doing the calculation, that would good. Hey.
you see the 70 now?
Hey.
You know how much me love you dearly, babe. Me I go give you 50% out of it. Out of the 70, so me we take 20. Me love you like that.
Right now, I'm tired of the beach thing, you know.
I
Me
was-
tired of me tired of hustling on the beach and them something, man. How are you, man?
Babe, I was just about to tell you that it is time for you to leave this beach thing.
Well, I'm not tell you, say, me dear.
Mm-hmm.
So good, man. But I will never rejoice for somebody dead, but I'm sorry, but. Oh, you want the cherry, dear?
No, I'm gonna feed you. You're my baby.
Oi.
Just eat the good. And then you take this.
Anything, sir?
No, you know. You're Betsy?
Yes, sir.
How you doing?
I'm alright, and you?
I am Mr. Champagne. Lawyer Champagne. I'd like to have a word with you.
Do you want me to come
Yeah,
on?
man, you can step outside
Alright,
for a
give me a
second.
Yes, sir. My sister now.
Alright, so as I said, I'm Lawyer Champagne.
Your
And
name Betsy.
right, Betsy. I'm representing your father, Sir Maxwell Grey.
What?
You're not familiar with your father?
Maxi?
Yes, man, say Maxi.
Maxi from up the road where own like one big house and him drive one Jeep and so.
Same.
Not my father. Mother never tell me that.
Well, you are his child.
So how you know that I mean I know that?
I am his lawyer. It's private information, right? But I'm here to let you know that he passed away
What?
and he left a will with a large sum of money and that sort of thing. And you are in the will to receive a
So my
portion.
father know me? He know me?
Yes, he knew of you just recently. He didn't get the chance to meet you, but you are in his will. So I'm going to be having a meeting with your fellow siblings and his
So you
wife.
have siblings?
Yes, man, you have siblings as well, man.
This is news to me. My mother never mentioned nothing to me of a father. Like, she never bring it up whenever I miss a mommy. Like, this is news to me. She never even mentioned it. Me only hear the name. That's why it caught me by surprise.
I can imagine. But what will even be of more surprise is this wealth that you're going to get right now.
And to be honest, that doesn't even matter to me. All I did want to know is my father, you know, and him passed, and I never know him.
Some of these things happen in life, some in death. You know, you probably didn't get to meet him in life, but I'm sure you'll meet him very shortly.
So you say you have a meeting and you want me
Yes,
to
so
come.
I'm going to be having a meeting next week, Tuesday, at my office in Savlamar. Right?
Yeah. So where's the guy there?
Your siblings is gonna be there and his wife.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. So they know about me?
I am not sure if they are aware of you as yet,
Okay.
but we'll all find out when we get there.
Alright. So you say me give my contact number so you
Yeah,
can.
man, I'll give you all of that information right now.
Give him a ring. Open. There's something I want to talk to you about. You can have a seat, please.
I'm not wash when you go wash and
I'm not tell you something about that witness something here.
girl, the machine now work.
So wait, how you going money? I have with water and something.
I know some I wash out some clothes out here, so but in the meantime, I never know where they are come.
No,
I don't have nothing for cook, so I go see if me see anybody have wants to make them buy something and shop for me.
me lock up early because something happened. And it just a puzzle me. You can't sit down and contain yourself.
What you mean, like something bad happen?
Not really, But me there at the stall today. And lawyer Champion, where win the big case what there?
Yeah, me know liar champagne. What happened?
So yeah. Me there me start today, me see him pull up. Me think at Thursday and he wants a little juice or stuff to buy. But him say he want to talk to me. When me go round now if he talk to him and so, him a tell me say, Maxi where we know where one of the big house up there up at the hill, see my father. And him pass and him left some inheritance and him want me to come and meet. Me say, me no know nothing about that because my mother never mentioned no father to me, so me no know nothing about that. So I hit now me come to you and I ask you if you know anything will go so because him said to me and me was so surprised. Because mommy me always ask her, what about daddy, what about daddy? Always I cut me out, always I shut me out and I say him not important, so me want to know what happened. No, mommy, me want because me want to know if I throw the man and talk because how him would know that.
So sometimes champagne did really have to be lying. Because he could be chat too much. Because honestly to God, me never really want to know that we had it's true.
Mommy say, why must say a true? Maxwell was my father? Mommy, Maxwell was my father?
I'm sorry, so you have to find out that way there, but me never really want it for know it. Another way there, and I did really want to tell you myself, but me never know how to break it to you, guys. But I try to shut him out of my mind now.
Mommy, me I go through
I'm
all
thoughts
that this
and
and my
everything.
father rich. Mommy, you don't feel like this unfair to me?
Girl, enough things in our life no fear, you know. Because unfair, they say unfair game play twice. And it can mean in all different way and shape and form because it come back and come rebound for me no wanna play it twice. Cause from the beginning everything did unfair. Everything did unfair. Come here, me. I'm sorry. Me never meant for you find out that we're here. Me didn't want to tell you myself.
So, mommy, what happened? Why me never know him? Why you never tell him say he have a daughter? What happened? Me confused.
They have a saying to say, see, memories don't live like people do. And that's true. Because you're not dead, we have memories. And see all the memories are come back now. Let me tell you what really happened, my daughter. You know, so when I met your father, first thing I asked him if he married, he said no. He not married. Yes, when me get pregnant, me fall in love with him and get pregnant with him, me find out say he married. And all when me find out and I ask him, my man I deny. So me take with myself. Because me couldn't take it back.
So you did tell him say you pregnant?
No, me not tell him. Me take with myself. How he find out, no, I know how he find out. And no, say, what are your father for true?
Mommy, you ever regret not telling him?
No, I don't have one regret.
Mommy, but look how you live. Mommy, just look how condition you're sick. And me tell you, say, don't go outside go washing at the hot sun. And if you never come catch you the outside and wash, mommy, look how your lifestyle. If you didn't know, I would have lived better.
So what you want with you now?
Champagne say I'm gonna keep a meeting Tuesday coming because him pass and him left so him do some investigation and find out so me and daughter and him left things to me. Oh, me didn't want to just a father to just go up with and you know.
Alright, no, let me tell you something. Forgive me.
Mommy, are you alone? Me know so of course me have to forgive you. You can't hold that over your head because you try as a child, man. Me never got me ready yet hungry.
I
That's
wish,
why
if
me
you
a
could
try
have,
to make it for you.
I wish I could have undo the things that were past already, but we can't do nothing about it. You say anything you have to give you, go on at the meeting. And anything you have to give you, or anything when leave for you, just take it. And if you can't get to know your siblings them, you know your siblings them. But be careful. You hear me say?
Alright,
Be careful. Cause I don't know if your wife did know about you or anything. Cause me they are try to protect you.
But now that they know about me, they not gonna like me.
Don't worry about that part there. You see, when we reach the part there, we cross over the bridge. Don't worry about that. Just be careful.
Alright.
Here, that is why me they try to protect you all along. Be careful, you hear me, daughter?
Yeah, me I wash out them here for you. Just sit down and relax, man.
Thanks, here.
No, some always love you, man.
I'm gonna love you even more.
Why the hell Mr. Champagne take so long to come? Some man here take too long to come, man. Me have only for business to start out, you know.
From when you complain,
What you mean?
he'll be here soon.
Oi, not sure you grow up now and turn big woman your face, you have to come talk to me anyhow, you know. Remember say, I was your stepmother. Now talk to me anyhow.
Came from my dad.
So,
But you've been complaining all morning. That's
let me
the
talk about it. I will want to hear about for me share. You alright, you know, little girl.
Good morning, good morning.
morning, Mr. Champagne.
Morning, sir.
Good to see you guys. You know why we're here today?
I guess it's based on my dad's will.
His last will and testament. But before we get started today, we have one more person joining us shortly.
And who would that be?
We'll find out shortly. It's just another individual that was recently added to the will before his passing. Right? Let's give her a little time. She's almost here.
I hope I don't greedy sister them, you know, because me, one of them couldn't agree. Oh,
Come on, that is not the right frame of mind.
hello. At what time that the person there come? Because me there so already almost over 2 hours. I know me still have to wait.
I apologize for that, you know, but I had some matters dealing with. But we are here now. We are here now, man. Don't worry about
Sir,
it.
you come is not use the problem again, you know, is the next person where you say add on to this. I mean, I'm not joking, you know, because I'm my share. Me I wait one my share. Finish share. Me just want to finish here. We come out of this place and leave. None time I wait for nobody. I could have that this money they be.
Ladies, give us some minute, man. You can't be behaving like this in my office.
Sorry, sir.
This
but
is a
right
business place and we are here to deal with
I
business.
think all kind of something coming. I don't know why somebody else have to add on to this. This is just for me and my stepdaughter.
No, listen.
Alone.
No, listen. It's 3 of you and it is going to be split equally amongst you.
3.
Good morning.
Sure.
Sorry I'm late. I was finding the office was hard to find.
Oh, that's fine, man. We're glad you're here.
How this? Hold on there. Wait, sir. Sorry.
Okay. Miss Grey, this would be your stepdaughter. And Betsy, this would be your stepmother, right?
Hi.
And this is your sister. Right, so it's one big happy family here, guys. Right.
I don't fit happy family.
No?
Hello, sir. Me can say something?
Yes.
Me no know about no other stepdaughter. Only this one.
Me too.
So me no know what going right here. So between you, she, and me dead husband.
No.
I only know about this stepdaughter. Oh, me no understand where you're going in here. So no, this can't share. You can't share for 3 somebody.
Calm down.
Miss Grey.
Me I go get 80% of it. You get 20 and you done right now.
20? Are you crazy?
Listen, no, ladies, listen.
Hello.
My my father.
I'm my husband.
It's my
Ladies and gentlemen, my husband.
father.
You know what to do is my husband. I'm supposed to get the more.
When he's going to go.
More share of
Listen to me, ladies, listen to me. This is a family matter. This is your stepdaughter and this is your sister.
You
a jacket. Me not accept that. That a jacket.
You don't get for Noir.
No, you cannot say that. You know.
You act like you know her. Eh?
We did a DNA test. That is Mr. Grey's daughter. Mr. Grey's daughter right here. If there's any doubt, we'll probably need to do a DNA on this daughter right here, because we're not sure.
Oh, that's definitely my dad.
You see?
Everything
So,
for him.
Miss Grey, this is Betsy. Betsy, introduce yourself to your family.
So I am Betsy.
Come here, Tato.
Okay, I'm your sister.
I don't want to hear nothing.
wrong with you?
I don't want to hear nothing from a stranger. I don't know her from nowhere. What do you mean disrespectful? I come to claim my thing when I'm supposed to claim. My share.
Okay,
And that me come out. What you are talking about?
you behave
Eh?
like this.
Miss Grey.
Okay.
You act like I say you and her. You know her? Eh?
You know her,
You and her.
hello.
You and her come here.
Hello? Lady, we were trying to get this sorted out and you people are here arguing over this.
You see, you know, Mr. Champion, listen to me. I'm my name Paumella. You see? And everything where we come to talk about here, so, we share equal between me and this a stepdaughter here. No, me, she,
And that's
and another person. So you see, listen to me, sir. Me never no long talking with you, you know. Eh? Listen to me now. You see, anytime you, Mr. Champion, ready to tell me, say, yeah, this is yours, and you get the most of it, you can talk to me, call me. You have me number, I don't want to hear nothing from you. Look here, all that the crosses girl, I don't know where she come from, but she come one up my husband, about my husband. And my father and niece, Betsy, your backside, hey. Sure.
I am so sorry. You did not deserve that.
That's alright. That's alright.
That's it. First of all, let me apologize for Miss Paumella behavior. Anushka, I don't know what's wrong with your mother, you know.
Stepmother. Stepmother.
You see, this is what I'm talking about. You guys are all family. See, she referring to her as her stepmother. She's your mother, Anushka. You've lived with her for so many years. Right? And today we are at this crossroad and we're trying to sort your father's last will.
She wants most of the money, don't you?
No, it is not what she wants, you know. It is what is in the will already. And what is there cannot be changed. You understand? So if you are to get 5% and she gets 95, that is it. And if Miss Paumella should get 50 and you get 25 and 25, that is it. But how it should be split, I have to have all three parties present and see your mother walk out. Well, your stepmother or however you want to refer to her. So we're going to have to reconvene another meeting. Right, Betsy?
I don't know if I'm going to come back, you know. Because with that embarrassment there, she didn't have to do it that way.
No,
You don't even know me.
you don't worry about the embarrassment. What you are here for is what is rightfully yours. And what is yours is a lot. I can tell you that.
So you're gonna tell she that what she should get?
No, everybody, for everybody it's a lot. It's what to share amongst you people.
It seems like she's a champion daughter or something.
No. Listen to me. Listen. I have no preference here. I was paid already. No, my pay is in the will. So I was paid. I don't care about what you guys deal with. So listen to me now.
Yeah, Mr. Champagne, I'll come back.
Betsy, don't worry yourself. We're going to reconvene another meeting. I'm going to give you a date and time, and we all come back here and get this over with and done.
Yeah.
Come in, man. Hey, go on. Eh? I decided you're a boss too, you know. Eh? Are you if you come check me about 4 rim, you know, man? Come in like them rim are funny, you know. So I say, boy, you know, with that change them, because they don't look good on it. So and so forth. So I say, boy, you know, you could have sort out something for me.
Just remember, say, me have other things to do, and me give you money to buy the bus already. But as soon as me get some money, me give you, make you buy the rims them.
But hold on, why me call you still, you know? To be honest, hold on, sure. I say like saying a dust for me thing, you know. What go on? What go on with the will and all them thing? What go on with the money? What happened?
Alright. Big surprise. You don't know say. instead of the money share for me and the stepdaughter when me know the one stepdaughter, he end up have to go share for 3 somebody.
3.
Yeah.
So how 3 coming out?
You
So
know, hear
2
me
come
just
3.
say surprise. That means say me end up find out late. Say my husband did get another woman pregnant outside. So there's another child for him
So hold on.
outside.
So the money have to go share between you
And the 2 stepdaughter. The new one and the one when me know. And myself. So everything have to go share between the 3 of we.
So hold on there. So let me try the maths, because my head not good. You stepdaughter and him have a daughter on road.
Yes, I never know about she. I want big surprise to me. This new to me. Me never know say me and the man they so long all these years.
And you never know about the
Me never know say you have another child outside. So you have 2 children.
So hold on there.
One when me know about and one that I did not know about.
Mind some scamming thing like this now, because you what now? Are your wife, you know? Eh? So how come this other daughter just pops out of the blues? Your wife and you don't know about that? That's weird.
No, it's not weird. Man can go outside go get other woman
But
pregnant
no,
and the
but-
woman don't have to know it.
Jesus,
When
that's
it-
all
when-
less
when
money
you
for you
live
now?
Less everything for me because it have to go split between the 3 of us.
So less for you, less for me.
Don't worry yourself about it as long as you get everything good. But me think
I just mess up my deal.
I don't know.
Man.
right now me vex and come out of that the meeting there.
So hold on there. Let me ask you a question. So you can't get one lawyer for looking at it and make sure say everything legit and all them stuff then.
Boss it. So hey girl. How long would you have to wait like an idiot? How are you going?
Okay, look it. I have to have a little patience now, man. The female said she a come, man.
Bossy. Patience did the hospital every single day. Now no more patience.
Alright, so me sure I'll come right. Because maybe you not to understand what I'm going. Me and a little female. We used to do a little thing one at a time, man. You see me? So me not, it can't be too hard for that, brother.
Boss, we don't care what you want to say right now. We have to mix business with pleasure.
Real quick, you have to understand, man.
Boss, that
One
a
at a
your
time,
thing.
listen, man, one at a time.
Boss, me have to do my work, you know, boss.
And make me appreciate that. I'm rating for that. You liar, soldier, but you are going, man. One at a time, you know, man, when the woman born, you know, me and she left, you know. But you got you one little
I am thing, man.
and she comfort me. You see me? That's the thing, man. Man, I'm man, you know, man.
Alright, boss, me hear you say, right? She have wait point, so
Alright, see she a forward.
long time, boss. No.
Hey, Ruben.
Come on, so come
You there for the evening.
Can I have a minute with you, please?
Can't do that, you know. Anything we have to say it in front of me and my dog, you know. Can't do that.
I don't really like his behavior.
I understand that, but we can't do nothing behind him back and do it in front of him face.
But boss, you see me I tell you about because you're double teeny girl like me can't be a say, you know.
You
A week out, you know.
You tell him?
Kill quick. Me tell you that in a confidence, you know, bro. Them information are confidential, and you say that in front of female. I don't like some chat to man, you know. Bro, yo, you know what? Cut to your chase, yeah, man. Where's your going, yeah, man? I know.
Week out, man.
Now, tell them what you like.
Here.
You do what?
Please.
Tell her what you line.
Please.
Hold on. Where say that stuff?
We'll bring a small change.
What that's supposed to mean? You don't get the
Small change.
You can quiet this dog.
But you're quiet, you know.
Kill fast.
That go with small change.
Hold on, man. Me talk to her, man. Me hear what she say. What you say about the money now?
I tell her said this week them I read the will. I never tell her said this week where I get the money. Not only that, we find out some my father have another daughter.
So what that have to do with me?
Because now that means that the money I forgot split 3 ways. My stepmother, the daughter we will just find out about, and me. So you know, so the amount of meat that I look forward to getting, it's gonna be less. Plus, not only that,
Boss, you here again.
talk to your
No,
friend.
easy, no,
Talk to your friend.
No, man. Easy, no, man.
How far will go read next?
The money I go run, man. The money I go run, man. Talk to me about the money, no, man. Give me tool, man. Sure. So, you know why you do not pay, you know. You know why you do not pay, we are going to regret it, man. Sure. Hey, where's your guy?
In the meantime, I bring this I borrow this in a room.
How much is that? Give me.
$5 US.
I will take me for stacking. Eh? No, what is it? Let's put this up. What is it? It's time to put on some phone card.
Behave like that.
You know how much you owe me?
20,000
20,000.
US.
Okay. You know, 5,500 different 20,000.
I'm still owe you 19,500. Ruben, just give me some time now. Some time me I ask you. You know me stay. I'ma even bring this for sure. So I'm serious with paying you. Just wait till we get the inheritance now. And that me I wait for too.
Yo.
Ruben.
Yo, man, I don't know more talking here, man. You see.
Wait, just wait now.
You see, next time, me now can't tell him to easy, you know.
Act like so we never did close. You never have feelings to me. You have no affection. None talk. I just straight money, so you don't remember the good times.
But that people want to say it, you know. Because I don't really call woman that, you know. But money over woman. Come on, my general.
Ruben.
Yes, Mr. Grey. How are you doing?
Not so good, you know.
All right. So let me hear what you have to say.
It's the same thing when I talk to you about my two stepdaughter them.
Yes.
And the shears way. They want we share up for 3 away. Me not understand this, you know. Me not understand this. So because me want this to sort out the right way, that's why me get you to deal with the situation for me.
All right. Be more specific. What is it that you don't understand? Explain.
All right. All these years me there with my husband, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I only know about one stepdaughter. Out of the blues, there's another stepdaughter come up after how many years? Because this thing is really getting on my head, you know, sir. I mean, I think I can manage it. Because them want me to share everything between me and the two stepdaughter. That not right. The one who I know before shouldn't even get none much as the one who come after. None of them shouldn't get none. And me should get everything because I'm there with this man too much years. Suffer with him. Whether I have food or no food. Me stay with him. Empty-handed or money in a pocket. Me stay with him and suffer all my life with him. And him go get another child outside. No, me have to go share this between me and two stepdaughter.
So is it that you're saying that you don't want to share with your stepdaughter?
It's not that, sir. It is good for you to share. But how this man do it, him very wicked. Me and this man there for so long and he go get woman pregnant outside.
Well,
had that the one they on to this one when me know already.
I understand your concern, but that part is not my part, Mrs. Grey, right? My part is already done. I've gone in the fields and did some research, and the DNA results are right in front of me. And it clearly states that both of the females are his children. So, I mean, it's within the bounds of the law, you know. So there's nothing that I can do at this moment.
Sir Buckingham?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. All right.
All the best, Mrs. Grey.
Okay.
If there's anything that I can assist you with, you can always come back and I'll further explain and assist you, right?
All right, Mr. Buckingham. He's useless as Mr. Champagne.
Mrs.
Yes.
Grey,
It don't look like no liar can manage this case, sir.
that is unbecoming of you, Mrs. Grey. Come on, Mrs. Grey. You're coming inside my office and
You
telling
see
me-
why sometimes we go do things that we're not supposed to do?
Mrs.
Me a
Grey.
try deal with the matter the right way and it don't look like none out of the two they work out things how me want if you work out, you know.
Mrs.
All right.
What is it that you want me to do? You want me to act outside of the realm of the law? You
Remember,
want
say
me
I'm not free to do this for me, you know. I'm not free to do it for me pay, you know, sir.
What about
I'm
the
not
rest of
see you
my
do
money?
nothing, you know. So
Mrs.
you're just
Grey,
like Mr. Champion. Me no want you
Mrs. Grey,
nothing from
remember
you,
you owe
man.
me my money, Mrs.
No, me
Grey.
no want you nothing from you. You take me, I rob me, you take
All
me
right.
money.
See you in court. See you in court.
Evening.
Evelyn.
Why you call me here?
Huh?
Why you calling me here?
What do you mean, why me call you here?
So when I'm talking at the meeting, we met earlier, you know? Where officer
You realize I'm leave the meeting without
Yes.
saying anything to anyone?
That's the thing. You spoil the people that meeting.
No, me cannot spoil that. Your sister, when me just know, when me never know about, and me never want to know about, grieve me spirit. That is one of the main reasons why I have to left that meeting. If you did not know, now you know. I know you, even though you grow up big now, and you do not live with me anymore. That not say, me only know you. I didn't know about another sister.
Yes, Miss Paumella, but at the end of the day, that shouldn't affect anything. You literally spoil the people that meeting. Everything that was meant to be said was already said in the meeting. So I don't understand why you call me here.
You need to understand, because me I explain myself. I know you alone. Me no know she. So I have an intention from a long time, many years ago before your father died, that everything was for me and you. No, me have to go accept another sister pan the will? Like seriously?
Yeah, but that should
Well, it cannot work. It cannot work.
What do you mean it cannot work?
It cannot work.
So what you plan to do? Because she already born.
Right now, me no know she a jacket. So me not just take anything me here say yes. Yeah, and my father that and whatever. It cannot work like that. So I have to share everything between me, you and she.
So yeah,
No, me love.
So what you say, you know want to share. As a matter of fact, the question when me ask is, why you call me down here? Because first and foremost, me not even live good. We not talk that much. You left out of the meeting and now you call me here. Why am I here?
Don't worry about that. Me know say me never used to live good, but you was my stepdaughter. And if you don't mind, you are still my stepdaughter.
Oh, I
Anyway.
see. I
Anyway, let me give you the lowdown of what me call you about for you understand and get the right thing. Listen to me now. I did not know that sister. You did not know her before. We just know her. She just come in at the picture out of the blues. You understand? It's like a breeze blower here, so. No, it can't work like that. Guess what? I am thinking of me and you have a plan to get rid of that girl.
What is it? Me and you.
Yes.
Get rid of she.
Yeah.
When you say get rid of, I want you to be specific so we can understand the context of what you're saying. Get rid of how?
You know me, you know. You know me even though me you couldn't agree. When me say it, me mean. Me go tell you what me mean now. Me mean get rid of her out of the picture completely. Out of the picture.
You mean kill
Period.
her? You mean kill her?
No, me mean analyze her. He always I same thing, but guess what? Me know what me I say.
Miss Paumella, you know of me being that type of person.
We can easily dirt her. She's nothing to get dirt. Why I should allow a stranger? I am a widow. I have to get most of the thing. And you, I am sure that you is one of my husband, daughter. I am not sure of her.
And we thought that you're saying, how me, for no say, and the same way you plan against me after me and you do anything to she.
You know why I wouldn't plan that against you?
Tell me.
Because I know you from you was younger, even though we could not agree. But don't think about how we could not agree. We can get along now. Yes, of course, we can get along.
Because of money. Okay.
Anyway, I think me and you can have a serious plan about that girl.
I have to think about it. Honestly, Miss Paumella, I don't know if I have the heart for do them things there. Yes, more the money.
Right. Shh. Stick up in. I understand. Maybe, I am not sure. Maybe you never done this before. But there's a first in everything. We can have a serious, dangerous, drastic plan against that girl because me and you need to use we head. We don't need she if come take over what we forget. You understand? What you think about that?
I not say it bad enough, but I don't want to be even a think like that. But let me just think about it.
You better think about it, because this girl coming like she come to take over everything so me and you don't get nothing, and it doesn't work like that.
Alright, Miss Paumella. I have to think about it, alright? I can't answer you now.
Please do. Think about it.
Alright.
What is life without money?
That is like bees without honey.
This are not joke, it not funny.
Money man need like a rat need cheese.
So when you see me, banga, I hunt for the cheddar.
I need to talk to you.
Oh, you find me?
Don't worry about that. I just need to talk to you.
Okay, I'm all ears.
What's your name again?
Betsy.
Alright, Betsy. I don't want to seem scary to you, so I don't I don't want you to have any fear. But I just came here to put you on your guard. This is my stepmother that you met in the meeting. She's a devious,
I can do that.
yes, dangerous woman, you understand? And you see in another situation here where you're in now, I have to put you on your guard. Because to me, I believe that she don't want you to get a foot off the funds. You understand?
But my father too.
No, man, no. But what I say is, when she having a fear of mine right now, both you and me don't know. I'm really feel your life is at risk.
So you don't feel like your life is at risk?
Oh man, but she knew me from I was a child. She helped to grow me. So I'm kind of in a better position than you. But I just want to put you on your guard. Look out of your eye and me tell you, I want you to leave the situation here alone. What gonna happen is, when I get the inheritance, I give you a thing. Because honestly, I feel your life at risk.
Just as how you for call him daddy, me for call him daddy too. Me not keep it. Thank you for telling me now. Thank you for telling me, but me not. Hear me leave it. As much as you and your stepmother want it, I want it too.
I know that, but I'm just telling you that you might have a hit on your head.
Okay, hit me. I don't care. I need the money as just as how you guys need it. But thank you for putting me on my P's and Q's, but me need it as just as how they need it. And yes, she's a bad person because based on how she did a bit of outrageous at the meeting, but I don't think she's that bad of a person. Like, I don't
Girl,
understand.
you have no idea what you're talking about.
This just seems fishy to me, like something is going on. Like, this doesn't seem right.
You know, someone made the effort for find you.
And I thank you for
I
that.
notice that me find you. Are you unarmed? You don't have to take what me I tell you. But just keep it at the back of your mind. So anything can happen to you. And remember, me are the first person warn you, because you see me come here yard and I'm not touch you. I'm not touch you.
Thank
So
you.
that means I have your best interest at heart. Alright?
Thank you.
Go on, yeah. Have a nice day.
But you can't get rid of me. I stand strong in this and you can't get rid of me. What's going on out here? You talk to yourself, you're mad. You're losing it. What happened? Remember the lady when we tell you about at the meeting that Max's wife? Oh, that. Yeah, stepmother say Max is pitney and the lady is stepmother. She come here and tell me say she put on me peas and truth because the lady some evil and she bad and she will do this and she have hit over me head and if we just leave wherever Maxine left for me. But then I write you, mommy. Because just as how she call Max's father, me call Max's father to know, no so. So she come here and come and tell us that you have to leave. If you leave it alone. Yes, I got she come tell me. So hold on there. I lady daughter? Our stepdaughter. So it's like them a tell me something. If you left everything to them because through the mother, the stepmother know her from she a baby and she don't know me. She not go she will give me a fight. Nothing can go so. You see, that is why I warn you from day one until I say, see? Be careful. And that is the reason why I did that protect you, you know. Because from the get-go, we know it's a problem and mix up in this. What here, me go tell you some of that.
Leave it alone.
No, mommy. Me nah just pull on without a fight, so. Mommy, a long time we are surviving now. And this how we trying to come out.
Look here, my daughter. You see how far me I come from? Look here. You see how far it where we are come from? Don't it say we are survive?
Yes.
You see dead left something. Sometimes dead left sitting on a good something, you know. It always cause problem.
Nah, put me.
Sometimes it dead have to carry other dead. Girl, up to the richest man right now, we're dead. Pitting them a fight over dead left. So listen to me, girl. We will survive. Look how far God carried to where we come from. Leave it alone.
I promise I said me I go just leave this alone, you know. The lawyer said there is something for me, I find there is something for me, there is something for me, and I want it. If I look $5, if I $5, I want it. It is mine. My father left it for me, and I want it.
Which is right. But listen to your mother. Sometime I know everything with dead left. You feel glad for take. You hear me I tell you?
Mommy, me have to go to me have to go eat. I have to talk back to the lawyer here what he must say.
Well, listen to me now. We not fear no evil and we not fear no foe, you know.
Right.
You know your mother is a praying mother, you know.
You know that.
I am gonna pray about it. I'm gonna pray so them people that stay far from you, you know. But me, I tell you as a mother, I still a stand for my word. Leave it alone.
Money make color and can't get her. It's what?
Acha, I'm gonna run down people in the come here as mine. You hear that? Simon will come for.
Which money? Man, I talk to Ruben already. Oh, you come for money?
Ruben.
Yes, Ruben. Careful with the knife. Careful with it.
Baby girl. You see Ruben? Ruben is a headless fowl.
But I may have money for me, not owe you nothing.
You can't talk to me about Ruben. And me I deal with it right now. Kill it with this. Ruben is an idiot. He makes business with pleasure.
But I tell him said that I have and that me give him, so when you come from me, I have no money.
Alright.
Just leave me alone.
So you're going. Kill me after kill him.
No!
So you're gonna do for yourself.
Alright. Alright, hold on. Yes, we know. You see the sister where we just find out about? I don't want split the money between she, me, and my stepmother. So here, you see, fair cut, you can kill her and take fair share. And wait,
Listen.
we not minor.
Just stop. Just don't touch me. Just stop.
Sorry. Alright, so you can take fair share. And remember, say me I get my share and me I get Ruben some. So Ruben still I give you out of that. I say I gotta get the whole of fair one. You understand? So are two different money that you get. What you say about that?
You know, a long time I want to kill somebody there. So this, yeah, it's a good plan, man. So Ruben can get fee cut a money and we can get a big piece.
You kill
Don't.
You don't work with
A long time I want some blood, you know. So just know what you do.
I'm not telling a lie. Here, what? I find out her.
I'm afraid of him, man. You afraid of me?
Kind of.
I'm afraid of him.
I find out her location and what I'm gonna do is I take your number and I'm gonna fill it in. Alright? And you just do your thing. You know where you don't oh you're gonna do it, alright? So put your number.
Yeah, just. Long time. Yeah, shop me location, cause you know.
Again.
Don't afraid of me. Don't afraid of me.
Miss Paumella, I need to talk to you. Put on that. Put on that. Remember, I think we did a reason about the other day? I find somebody, you know.
A lie.
I find somebody. I swear.
How you not say? I true you talk?
That man must have told the truth. Man must have told
You
the truth.
make up your mind. How you
I
mean?
call it something like that.
No, you know, say, you know, when that work out,
Mm-hmm.
everything after me and you.
Man must.
Because she a go out.
But not only that.
Now
That one we cut him out too. And that too, you know, but we work
then we
on
no
the
can
part
cut him out.
yeah,
And that no no.
we work on the part. I just want you to know, so I find somebody
So
and
the
him have to deal with
person,
it.
hold on there. The person where you get to deal with this situation, you know. How who that?
Can't
Somebody
go
when me
into
know?
information them. I can't tell her that.
How could I cause this now?
I just tell her something. I can't tell her that.
We them
That
a
not
work fine
important
now. So me could have know how I don't know.
Yeah, but him name not important now. You know him. Yeah, tell you know
If you
him.
put
But
a
you
man-
don't know him like that.
Just listen to them now, man. Because this will get serious, you know. You see, you get somebody.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, say me have to go pay the person. Then me not have to know how.
No, man, I mean I deal with that part.
So me have to go give you the money if you go give him?
We line up the money and me give him. Him want remain anonymous.
Well, it no matter as long as we get rid of that the girl. Me not have to know how. Everything good, man. You make up your mind. Me like that. Me like that.
We can't rejoice it kind of happen. So,
Me no business as long as you get somebody to get rid of she. Everything legit. What me say?
Him say my match it up. Me get
But
him number.
put here.
Wait, no, I send him the address too. And
Yo,
him have a
see
match
this?
it up.
See this between me and you. You need to keep it confidential, you know, because we can get in a big problem, you know. Because members say, although me and you do it, and still we involved in it.
No.
So we can go to prison for this.
Yo, Ruben.
Yo. You're lucky, you know. Come, I wonder who will call me in the night time.
See, you know, say, I know, say, I kill quick already.
So you say I go on now, because you know, normally link me in the night, you know. A matter of fact, I call a friend when brother not to know answer me now get. You make me all start pray your brother.
Yo, boss, you know, them thing they go already, you know, to deal with phone, you know. Because them thing they're informer. Right now, blacks me there, black talk it up in one at a time.
So yo, so what you call link me, what?
The mission me I play for go up on right now, you know.
So hold on. So you go on mission and me not authorize it.
So you know, forget dirt in the night, yeah. Affy.
So let me ask you a question. You work for yourself now. Because the last time I check, I'm me in charge and you work for me.
Yo, right now, you're wet bread, you know. I'm in a power with idiot. You see, you're a sister, you have to pull down upon her one night time real way. And she could have deal with me and say, I'm a American sister. This me and she give me a piece of money. Alright now, yo. Boss, me deal with betrayal and thing, loyalty, you know, loyalty till death, you know.
Oh. So you're the pan. Tell us something. I feel like you take too much of that Coca-Cola something there, you know. Because since you take that something there, you move GG and you move sideways. I say, oh, my thing come down, I deal with loyalty. I'm done to tell her, say, yo, I'm a sister. She a deal with it. So don't, you know. You since I say you want it, hold on to this. Anushka. Come here, someone. Come here, someone. Come here, someone.
What you want?
Anushka. Honestly, I never know say I see you call, you know.
I don't know.
Oh, you feel higher. Kill quick. To kill your sister.
Him tell her that?
It means if you tell me. So you can call a dealer off, you know, cause I take care of kill quick.
What you mean?
Yeah, me dey have to kill him because I'm gonna get too enough. I'm gonna take up things where him no need to take up in a hand.
Me ask him to do it. And it's not, I'm not even someone, I just come to him, come ask him. Me there on the road the other day, I go visit my friend and me and leave. And him pop up on me and say, I go stab me up. And before I could have come up with anything, I just tell him the plan so him can take out my sister and take the money because he was going to kill me that day.
Alright, so here I go on. So you try to say You want to hire my soldier to do your dirty work to pay back me?
No, me not tell you same pop up on me.
Alright, you are. But we don't want to go over that. Just call it so we square. You don't have to bother pay me no money.
Why?
It is taken care of. We don't want to go into details, but everything good. Same? So just call it say you're good.
Just like that?
Yeah.
Me not have to pay about
You don't have to pay him back. And this just learn me a lesson too. If you don't mix business with pleasure.
And you not gonna do me nothing right?
No man, we're good.
Where's the now?
Alright, so you know the guy who did get right for mash the works? Him drop out. No.
Hey!
For real, him drop out.
Hey yo! You serious or a joke you make?
Me not joke. Why would I joke about
Me no know.
He's dead. Me I tell you say him dead. 4 days ago he died.
So what really happened to him?
I can't even give that story there now, but somebody take him out. You understand? And it was in the worst way.
Jaja.
Tell you somebody parts that certain different places. But I don't know who I'm gonna do this way, honestly. Cause he was the only person I know, I don't know bad people.
Well, hold on. Stick up in. Whatever me you did plan to do with your sister, you never mention it to she. Because right now me I think something, you know.
What?
No, me not say do it. Me I ask her one question. You know, mention it to her because when people know say, people offer their life, you know, they make sure get rid of somebody first. So me I wonder if you say to her and she go get rid of this man. Cause that the man if he mash her work and then somebody come dirt him first.
Miss Paumella, me and you are plan for kick. Let me just say, me and you are plan for take out this girl, right? And me gonna go to her and tell her, say, we are plan for take her out.
No, me not say you do it, but you can put in a one different way enough. You say me and you when you suggest it to her.
No, I did not. And I don't know the girl. Me must have just meet her the other day. Me not even want she get none of the money where you talk about.
I lie.
I cut in a whole thing, you know.
You serious?
But like me say, my biggest issue right now is the fact that the guy is no longer here and me not know nobody else. So, Miss Paumella, honestly, you kind of convinced me for going at this because remember, me not have such a heart anyway you take it. So, to me alright to the local share me I get, and the only reason why me did I kill up myself is because I have some people for pay off, and me not really want them take me out because of money, because you know people easily kill for money. So, but you just want to pay them back, and take my local share, and go on about my business. I will just call this quit. So, I don't think we need to kill up ourselves.
Hold on there. Look here. I no quarrel, you know, but you see this way you just tell me now, me not take it slightly, you know. After me tell you something about your sister, say me want get rid of her. Yo, me not just say, you know. Oh, true because that the man there.
Miss Paumella never say a bad man.
Yeah,
He go around and take out people plus him rap. And him been a
No,
broke
just
the
listen to me now.
store there.
Listen to me, man. Why you no want into this no more after we done make that plan there?
Miss Paumella, we done set it already. This was your plan overall. That a one. Two, I had debt to pay off. You understand? But did in a debt. And the guy when me did him did go kill me. Him did go take me out. And right now, things sorted out. And him say me not have to worry about that money there. So me did I kill up myself for. You understand? So now me not fear worry about nobody will have a hit on my head because of no money. So it look like you're on your own with this man.
That's soft as you.
I don't know
Coward.
as me did in a debt, me
You're
tell
coward.
you. I don't know
So,
where.
let me tell you something from now, you know. Let me tell you something from now. You see like how you are take out yourself? Me not joking with nobody when it come on to my things them when me forget after so much years me they with phone up over. So guess what? Me will deal with it myself. But remember that about you know, me tell you something. But remember say, you see when me get rid of her and me get more thing for my thing, Nobody come around me come chat about I did my father or my father if you get somewhere or give me somewhere. No bother with it.
Miss Paumella, take all
Cause I
of the
feel me
money.
and no feel.
Take all of the money. Me no
Yeah, you
want.
can go on now. Cause
You're
I don't want
doing
to hear
this
not
by
more from you.
yourself.
From you not in it with me, you can go on.
You're doing
Everything
this
good,
by
man.
yourself.
You think you're a coward? You think me an idiot?
Hi Anushka, how you doing?
I'm doing okay.
Well, I'm here to tell you that we're having another meeting.
I don't want to be a part of it. I swear to God.
No. It's the last meeting, I can tell you that.
Yeah, but the last one, it was very distasteful. My stepmom was very disrespectful and it was embarrassing for me. It was definitely embarrassing. I don't want to be in the same room with her. I swear to God.
You see, it's understandable a
So
lot
why
of...
can't be a Zoom call?
No, Anushka, we have to have this in person because we don't want any hearsay going forward. You understand? And we need to get this out of the way. It's a very sad time for everyone, as I can imagine. But we have to do right by Mr. Grey.
Okay, when you say this is
The meeting is today.
today,
Yes, it's an hour from now. I'm sorry for my short notice.
Mr. Champagne, you didn't check to see if I had anything to do for the rest of the day?
Well, you're right. You are right, but the meeting is on, and you must be present at the meeting.
What time? And how
10
long is
10
this
o'clock.
meeting? How long?
The meeting should be very short.
May I ask you a question? You talk to my stepmom?
Yes,
You
I
talk to
spoke with her.
and tell her to get her act together?
I'm not sure she will get her act together, but I spoke with her. And I spoke with your sister as well. And we will all be present.
Alright, so I'm gonna ask you a question. So since me the oldest sister, right? My share not supposed to be more than the other. Because remember, we just know about she. I'm not even sure if I'm my actual father daughter. We don't know.
Well, Nushka, your share is what your father says your share. Not me, not your mother, not your sister, not you, your father. So whatever your father believes is rightfully yours, it will be yours. And you will receive it today. I can assure you that.
Okay.
Good?
I'll see you there.
So I'll see you in the hour, right?
Yes, sir.
Please be present. Have a good day.
Good morning.
So when are they already?
Hey.
Hi.
Morning.
Good morning once again, ladies. I'm happy we're in a much better mood today, Miss Paumella, because your last visit was not so pleasant. Right?
Me in no good mood today, sir. You have me wait how long to deal with this Sydney. I know we can't deal with me. Just come for this start out and me go about my business.
Oh, okay, Miss Paumella, okay. Nushka, Betsy. So this is the document we have been waiting for.
You smile and me not laugh. Me serious, sir. Me case and deal with this. Me want to go about my business. Me
Miss Paumella, come on, man. This is something we have to smile a little in life, you know. So you never know what might happen. But we have somebody that will be reading this to us today.
Area. Do what I do, sir. Me can't wait, Me have something to do. Hurry up. At this me come to start out and done. Me can't take it no more. Duffy!
Stop.
Christ.
Sit down. Sit down, please.
A spirit, no. Duffy.
Sit down.
Don't come beside me.
Paumella, it's not a duppy, it's Mr. Grey.
Betsy,
So you never dead?
pleased to meet you.
Yeah, Duffy. No.
Wife of mine.
Paumella, he's alive, Paumella. He is alive. That is your husband.
Pleased to have us.
You're real picture. Yeah, you human being. Wait. Maxwell, are really you this?
So,
Maxwell, what a wicked man like you.
This is what you've been all fighting for. A piece of paper.
Maxwell, you really fake your death.
Only to reveal the type of person that you guys are.
Maxwell, that mean you never love me after so much years me and you married. You want to send up my blood pressure and kill me. After you fake your death, Maxwell, you make me have in my memory say you're gone. Like seriously? Maxwell, I told me couldn't get pregnant, make you do this to me. So you really have the heart. And fake your death. Next thing, you breed another woman outside, Maxwell. And now you come with paper. Maxwell, you is the worst ever.
I am the worst.
And I thought you was the best.
So when you was out here cheating, you think you wasn't a bad person? You think that was good?
Maxwell is a wicked.
Paumella, you really don't see?
Yes, Paumella, I don't want to sit down.
This is what you are here for.
Just read out what me forget and tell me. All when you're not dead, I do not care. Me need to know me I get all my life when me work out and slave out. All of my strength. Can you?
Paumella.
Me don't want to sit down.
Paumella.
Anushka, I gave you a roof over your head. I gave you all the best schooling there possibly could be to ensure that you came out to be somebody in life, not reliant on what I had, but dependent on yourself. And look on the crowd and look on the people that you mix up with and walking with. They are near ready to take your life.
Daddy, she forced me for her. It wasn't my idea. I swear, she forced me.
All you little girl, you are going to chat about me force you. Me tell you if you do it, me never force you if you do it.
You still force me.
Me still force you.
You hear
You
it
know
from
what?
her mouth, Daddy. You hear it from her mouth.
I think it's best we start this thing here. You want to hear what you plan to get, miss?
Hurry up and talk.
Alright.
Hurry up and talk.
So, Mr. Champagne,
Yes, sir.
there will be some drastic adjustments to this will. Yes, man. So,
No problem.
we now are going to eliminate 2 individuals off the will. 2 names.
No.
And I want to give all my possessions, all of it, I'm going to give it to my newfound daughter.
But Daddy, you can't.
Maxwell.
do that. You cannot.
You know, say is an idiot. Worry yourself. I'm going to take you to the court.
Daddy, that's wrong.
Goodbye.
That's wrong. She forced
This
me.
is wrong. I'm disappointed in you.
What does she?
Walk with grace and follow Paumella.
You don't have nothing to do with me.
No daughter of mine should be colluded with no hoodlums.
What, Daddy?
Betsy, in all of this, I must apologize. I'm apologizing for the outburst and the rude behavior of the people that I was living amongst. I'm also apologizing for not being in your life for all these years. I know what this I'm doing now will not make up for it, but I hope it can be a start to building our relationship. I am very sorry. I am leaving all my possessions in your name to do as you please. If you choose to give them something, that's on you. But as far as I am concerned, you are the head. Okay? Come, baby girl. I'm so happy you would have said that.
Good day, Mr. Maxwell.
Yeah, man. Respect. How you doing?
I'm doing good enough. How are you doing?
Well, I'm eager to find out what it is that you have discovered, Really want to know what's going on.
Well, I have a lot of bad news. But I also have a little bit of good news.
Really?
So, which one would you like to hear first?
Let's go with the bad news, huh?
Well, I did some digging
Yes.
and I found out that your wife, as you can see, she's with a man and she's cheating on you. And your daughter, she's involved with some very bad people. And From what I've gathered, she owes them some money.
Oh my goodness.
A lot of money too.
This is why now it's all adding up, you know. It is all adding up. Why you never see smoke without fire? My daughter, my good daughter, involved with hoodlums. Yes? I'm a wife. My loyal and faithful wife cheating on me. Wow. This cannot get any worse. What you say is the good news? There has to be a silver lining.
Well, I don't know if it's good news now. I call it good news, but it can also be bad news. You have another daughter, you know.
Detective, what you just said to me?
You have another daughter. I don't know if you're aware, but you have another daughter.
Another daughter.
Yes, I believe her name is Betsy and her mother is Claudette. Actually, you know her Claudette?
I don't know what call it. But she never tell me that. Yes, sir. Thank you for meeting me. You want to go and bigger boss, cause right now I'm kind of a bit confused, you know, cause I think my yes, you're dead, you know. Because that the daughter tell me so. I don't know what go on. No man, that was all a plan. To find out some information and it to where it led where and I got a lot of necessary information that I needed. Yeah, so you say you want to see me about you know. Yes, so I am well aware that my daughter has a huge debt with you. And I'm actually here to settle that debt. What you say? Yes, man. So are you aware of the amount figure? Me? I am very much aware of the figure. And in good faith, and as a man to man, may I even put all the extra on it just to have you just stay clear from a place. Alright, give thanks, but wifey man to man still, is it? But give thanks, man. Alright. Understand. Feel heavy. Yeah, man. I ensured, say, I'm make sure, say, something there on it extra. Just, keep some distance between you and my daughter, please. Alright. It was nice doing business with you and your daughter. Very much so, and I hope never to see you again. Alright. See you too. Yeah, man. Respect. Alright? Yeah. Cool. Good day, Mr. Champagne.
What are you doing, sir?
Yeah, man.
Boy, what a pleasant surprise, eh?
Peaceful place, you know?
Peaceful. I was wondering, why you decided to meet at such a beautiful place. It's much better than my office, I must say. Well, how are you doing, sir?
I'm doing well.
You're doing well, I can see that, man.
I'm doing well.
I can see that. But, I was meant to ask you,
Yes.
what are you faking with it?
The $1 million question.
What, at this point, you worth more than $1 million?
Well, you see, I'm a married man and I have certain assets. And to be very, very honest, I don't want it to go to just any and anybody. I want it to be deserving of somebody. And I want to find out whether or not my daughter or my wife is deserving of this money or these assets that I plan to leave behind.
But wait. But why are you so concerned about when you're dead? Who is going to get what? Huh?
You see, coming up, I had nothing, and nothing was left for me, so I had to start from scratch. I don't want that for my people when I go. I want them to actually have something, a foundation to stand on after I go. So, I want to set it right for them.
I see exactly what you're saying.
I want to ensure that them don't have that same problem that I came up with. That starting from the beginning, it's a rough start.
You're a very intelligent man,
So, you know what I did? I went ahead and I hired an private investigator. Yes. And the investigator went undercover for a couple of weeks.
Yes.
And discovered some very interesting stuff. Very, very interesting stuff.
What do you mean by interesting stuff? What kind of stuff could possibly try?
Well, I discovered that my daughter is involved with some very, very bad people. My wife, that I love so dearly.
Yes, your dear wife, because I mean, she's been mourning ever since.
My dear wife, eh? My dear wife has been cheating on me for more than a year now.
That's not hard to believe, you know. Because I tell you something. When we had that first meeting in the office, you know, the way she stormed out, I know that this was a hard woman to deal with.
Oh, Mr. Champagne, that is not even the half of it. My own daughter, the first daughter that I have, is colluding with my wife to actually kill and get rid of this other daughter.
No, man, no, man, no, man. I don't believe this party.
I wish,
This sounds like a soap opera to me. You know.
Mr. Champagne, I wish it were not so. But these are things that is happening. I can show you text messages. I can show you calls. They're seeking hitman to get rid of my child.
This is a lot.
It sure is.
And to deal with, you know. And at this point, I just want to know, what am I to do with all this information? Because where do we go from here? This is a very touchy matter, you know, because this could go some side along some fraudulent business. Because you're a dead man and I'm here talking to a dead. And this lawyer client privilege is kind of skewed at this point because I don't know if you're alive or dead.
Mr. Champagne, fret not yourself. All will be revealed in due time. This is what I wanted to do.
Mommy, where you go? You know, some tax not go pay. But you know, such me never have the money, girl.
Yeah, me understand.
So where you coming from?
Why, mommy, I will tell you this, you know, but me know why you cuss me, cause me know you did tell me not to do it, but the lawyer call me and said then they have one next meeting, so me go. And a good thing, say me
Every
go.
time you come to me about liar call you and you go and you this and you that
But
and
hear the good part about
sure.
it. Hear the good part, a good thing, so me never really listen to you, but me sorry. But me did go, and a good thing, say me go, because you were daddy not actually dead.
Oh, you mean daddy not actually dead?
He not dead. I play, them that play along, just to see when the stepmother and my sister would have do.
So your father?
He not dead. When me there me see man show me say me nearly run. Cause me think say adopt but he not dead.
So your father faking own death?
Yes. The stepmother take out all hit on me head.
You see me talk to you now, listen girl. You see too much mix up give colic, you know. Too much mix up, my granny always say mix up give colic.
But mommy, you not listen if you will hear me when me I say no. You know, he take them off I will.
Upset right now, me coming like say me not want to listen nothing where I start to be right now. Can you feel listen when me talk to you?
Well, you're not here. We rich now, you know. Because me get everything, you know. Not what they said they not get now, and me I get everything now, you know.
Come on, how you know that?
So now me just a come from. Me get everything. The house way up on the hill up so where you can't even walk or drive, you have to drive. And me, for me near me inner. And so come, and that's why they faking death to find out everything what them are going with.
A man faking death.
Like you not hear good mommy.
Girl, talk to me, good make me hear.
Alright. So daddy faking death because he wants to see where his wife and his step and his daughter are going with. So now he faking death and he see all of them about. He drop them off I will and me I get everything.
And you happy about that?
Two of them did a go on, mommy. Yes, me happy. I mean not hide it. Yes, me happy. Me happy.
All me can tell us is still be she careful. Then would I say be he careful, but be she careful, you know. Look at me.
Me say you not happy, so we are come out of poverty now. We are right now, you know.
Why I'm not even if you know what me confused. Me don't know if I feel happy or me
You feel
sad or
happy.
before.
Happy. Maybe all you can come back in and like cause me left.
You mad? Not under me dead body, girl. You mad? You must say, girl, change the subject here. You know what? Let me tell you something.
Sorry,
Me I go about my business, you know.
Sorry.
So you say your business with your father business, me not part of it, you know. Me glad say you know him, you know. But not tell me about go back to war. You must say mad.
But mommy, we rich now.
At a few and your riches business, all of you remember me.
What I mean are you?
Lord have mercy, God. All I went do me, maybe me have to inherit after you, but me, if you go back to your pa, you must say you're mad.
Mommy, we are right now.
You well all right, yeah, girl.
Yeah. One babe. Hold on, Willis. Come to you. What about?
This one me I go tell you. I don't know. Me not even know how you go take this, but
Listen, man, listen. You can't tell me anything. You got a wife to be, man. You can't tell me anything, man. What happened? Just spill the beans, man. Spill it now.
alright. Me tell you. See money and everything when me tell you so me did forget. And now go bother get it.
What you say?
My husband no bother dead, he not dead.
Hold on. Me know say sometimes when you say certain things, we try to say if we're real. Me love you and everything. Me and you there. Me and you got married. Me just no matter with a temptation or testing or whatever. What you want to call it.
Just sit down.
You serious?
You can sit down when me talk to you, please.
No, man. This don't deserve sit down, man. Hold on there. Back up, man. Wait there. Repeat what you said to me a while ago.
Me I tell you so my husband not dead.
What you mean he's not dead?
So me not have nothing to get. Me and him did sign one prenup.
What?
So me not get nothing and he not dead neither.
Me I try to process everything in my head. What you mean the man not dead?
Then me not take me 2 years them and see him. Me see him.
So?
Live in living colours, me see him with me 2 eye them.
Oh, wait there. Back up.
He might use the prenup for me, me not go get nothing.
So you mean to tell me, say, hold on, man. Give me a minute, man. Wait, man. Let me try. How long me are you there?
A long time.
So you want to tell me, say, in order for me there so long, me end up with nothing?
What you mean, babe?
What you mean by what you mean? Me not understand.
No, explain yourself. What you talking about? What you mean?
No, man.
What you mean?
It come like you.
Such because
I must joke here. Tell me, say a joke here, man.
Hi.
I have to joke. You know,
I no joke me and make me serious.
me a beach man, you know. You know much time invest in you. You know much white man see me on the beach. I want to marry me and there with me and I just easy myself and so forth, man.
So you never love me?
I don't love have nothing to do with it, man, but I waste my time.
What do you mean waste of time? So money you did love me for? Just the money. You never love me for anything.
But look, if you look forward to something, if you saw God Almighty long and then I have
Then
how you that feel?
If I not eat our, me can't tell us say my husband not dead. I mean now go bother getting money. And
Right.
here I babe.
Right now, I'm going to Florida, I want them place and stuff. I waste my time. Yeah, man, it's not going to work out, you know. Big and serious. This can't work out because me have to go start from scratch with you again. Eh? Go struggle. Feel like here when me have left, you know, me I better me go look a white woman or something on the beach. Man, it's not going to work out. Me can't work. Can't work, I'm sorry. But me have to go back to do what me used to do.
Live just like that.
Then what me for do now? Me can't start from scratch with my age.
We did in our relationship.
Well, me can't.
So me not understand.
Me have to look out for myself. What happened? Why you won't understand that? Me have to look out for myself.
So you was looking out for yourself because of the money them when me used to give you?
No, but that will help. But it now no help now.
Like, seriously, you never loved me.
What?
So this thing was all about money.
Look.
It was a
No. No, listen to me.
This was a money ship. It wasn't a relationship.
I am the victim here. I am the victim because it was coming to me, so boy, I'm not waste my life and waste my time. You know how long me there? You know I'm could there now. Anyway, I'm sorry. That's it.
So you just have to leave and break me heart just like that.
Anyway.
All of the years me there.
Yeah, that's it. It's good because I had an idea. You should make sure a man dead and do your thing right.
What is life without money? That is like bees without honey. Yeah. This sun no joke, it no funny. Money man need like a rat need cheese. So when you see me pa my banga, I hunt for the cheddar. Remember, man a chop for better. Them say go to school, get a degree. Now me graduate with 15 subjects and a college degree. And still have fear fight for a system when I fight for me. Student loan still a call my phone. Feel like success now go come. Me dep on my own. What is life without money? That is like bees without honey. This are no joke, it no funny. Money, money, like a rat need cheese. So when you see me on my banger, I hunt for the cheddar. Remember, man I chop for better. From uptown dream to downtown pain, everybody hustling for better. Some sell juice, some drive taxi, some turn scammer just to make money. Me nah glorify scamming, but me understand when the pressure heavy, pan the common man.
Alright, so big up to everybody that has always been showing us support. We do appreciate every form of support. It's been a couple years now, well, since we've been doing this, and it feels so good to see the growth and to see how everything has come along in terms of the upgrade of the quality, upgrade of audio, upgrade of acting, upgrading every aspect. And we only strive to get better. At this present moment, my drone mash up the other day. I try to get that drone for August, and I try to get some new equipment. I already buy one camera already. I'm gonna buy some more lens, some more card and some stuff because I want to upgrade to another level. And that's what we continuously do throughout the years, and you can see it in the quality. But one of the things I always implore persons to do, if you want to invest in what we're doing, link me up. You can link me up on Instagram, Richard Brown Films, or if it's a case that you want to produce a film, you have some money, you have a story, and you want to film something for you, link with, you can work out the details in terms of costs, in terms of using some of our actors, whatever it takes. We have the facility, we have the experience and the know-how to do so. So big up yourself, continue to for sure love and support while we continue to push forward, because this is what we're doing, we're changing lives. And we're making a lot of persons' dream come true. Persons who never see acting as a career, now we'll make it possible. So big up on yourself, continue to put in the work by sharing up the video, by watching, by commenting, by telling somebody. Because sometimes you might not have money for link up and say, yo Richie, see a thing towards your production. But you can call a family member and say, just like how one prominent member of the community linked me since me, but now I really call him name. He's a prominent figure in the parish. And him say, boy, Richard, I love what you do. I am so proud of where you guys coming from. You guys keep me up at night watching these films, and we love what you do. And things like those give me extra courage to say, continue to do what I do and continue. And make me know, say, you're on the right path, Richie. Continue the way I do. And that's what we're going to do. Continue what I do. I don't have to really worry anymore because I have Javi who if tomorrow morning I'm not here anymore, he can carry on the work, which is the greatest part of life. The insurer say Richard Brown Films will live on in even somebody else. And that's what we are continue to do. So big up on yourself. Also, if you're interested in acting, link up. Because we always need new faces, we always need persons to work with. I know a lot of persons reach out to me a lot of time, but it don't materialize for one reason or the other, or because we're so busy, we don't get back to that. But we're trying to structure something, so therefore we have persons on file going forward. Big up on yourself, continue to show love and support. How are you taking for stacking?
500.
Yo, what I'm going to say?
5 grand.
How are you taking for stacking?
Remember saying a Jamaican man at 500 USD, you know? I don't really like his behavior.
Listen, man. He's a loyal soldier and I can't style him over one side to talk to you.
We're not.
Well, no, Miller, I want you jump in and say, you see the same thing when I tell her, Ruben. You see, if you never sleep with her, this one, me say, kill fast. Brother, me tell you that in a confidence. I say, you don't say it? Me tell you that in a confidence. Kill fast, me tell you that in a confidence. Kill quick.
That information
Me
is
tell you that
confidential.
confidence, you know, bro.
The
The
information
information
is
is confidential, you know. And you say that in front of female, like some chat to man. Alright, so you pick up back, right?
Yeah, 5 days again.
Right now, Jeremy.
Action.
You just want a small change.
What we can do with small here?
Wait, no. What me I try to say to you is, Remember, that week here, the will I read, right? I never said that week here where I get the money.
The boss says, you see me I tell you about. That's enough mix business with pleasure, you know.
Job, me feel like in black that camera there. Yes, stamp with them in them. Feel like in black that camera there.
Starting.
Boss, you see what you talk
If
about?
anybody asleep with her, she
You see
wanna
anybody
her,
asleep
she
with her,
so
she-
much more talk.
Yeah, more you say it like, you know.
For me, I like your words to say.
How we having that, Javi? Sure me not talk about bossy. If anybody asleep with her, this would not me, you know. Yeah, that's the your style thing. She want to call the one side and plus a style me. You ready now, Javi? Tell
One
me.
of them mad trigger up a friend there, yeah, man.
That really go me up here. Mad.
Like Mad Max or something there.
Alright. Tell me there, Javi.
Why am I afraid of him?
I love to work with it now.
Ready?
What?
Ready?
Ready?
Yeah, ready? Action.
Yeah, you're jumping. Ready now.
Boss, you see me I tell you about. Just because you go between the girl leg, you know, that's how you go and say, you know.
You expect the what? You didn't expect that shit. But I just said. It's because you go between the girl. But that was good. That was good. That was good. But we didn't expect you to say that still. So that threw me off.
Sleep with the girl, sleep around, say.
Yeah, but that good. That good.
Sleep.
That good. But we didn't expect you to
Makes you feel like you have so much more time.
Right now, Javi. And action.
The boss, you see me I tell you about. And she make a girl. Girl.
Ready?
Come on.
Ready? Continue. She'll go between the girl leg. You ready now? I'm clear. Give me a close up, Javi. Anushka, more you listen to me good and clear, you know. You see, when you get the money, call me and make me get the money. You see, my dog, I'm ready for bite right now, you know. And I just told me, no, you why we not even dash over a river over there, so, you know. I'm your Joe, you know. Ready now? Ready now, Javi?
What did say that? Yeah.
Ready now?
I mean and her alone it a share between all of the money. Me can double it. Me can double it and give you.
All right, Anushka.